तुका जायते दिवंक हो कायदो वाचलो मोसो पूण हो कायदो मोसो तुवें पाळलो मोरसोर
Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. This story is about that person who proved the society wrong that migrating for work is not the only option. Yes, he is no other than King of Mashup, Marshon Fernandes. Marshon was born in Konkani, Goa. Dad being abroad, he and his younger brother grew up with his mom. He did his schooling and high secondary from Konkani. From childhood, he loved music and he used to play for the chapel choir. Marshon did F&B course and he joined hotel line. But he realized that kitchen was not the place he was meant for. With his uncle's help, he entered into the animation department where his work was to entertain the guests. After 2 years, he left his work and went Bangalore to polish his music skills. On his return, one day his friend asked him if he could arrange for sound system for his child baptism party. That time, Marshon disclosed him about his dream of one-man band and requested him if he could play for his party. That day, people came to know about his hidden talent and it was the start of Revive, the one-man band. Soon he started with his YouTube channel and Konkani Mashups. His second Konkani Mashup went viral where he got 1 lakh views in 9 days and 1 million views in 9 months. Here is a small clip of that mashup.
Surya ekच दोन काय आसोना तसोच तुझ्या शिवाय दुसरो म्हाका ना दोर्या चुकती भुरगीं येवची चुकोना तुका पयल्या खेरीत कांयच रुचोना म्हज्या घरा सामकार तुजें घर सकाळीं उठोन तुजेर घालता नोदो म्हजें घर तुज्या घराक देखून व्हर केन्ना दिशी कासाराचें उतर.
For his brother's wedding, he sang the toast song. All the guests rolled out tears. Here is a small clip. Bebudak to bałt moja mokaco Dosos mokota mami deri tuso Bore shikopniu tumi mamka wadoile Upkara zatoita mi donia dewaco Bebu orlo bałe autuzo Tuka zaite diuk ho kaidо waslo moso पूण हो कायदो मोसो तुवें पाळलो मोरसोर मोज्यान तो विसरोंक नेसो. From his first YouTube income, he bought a watch for his mom. Whenever he gets payment of his one-man band, he first gives the money at the altar of the house. Whenever he has to go for shows, he always takes blessings of his parents and then moves out. Very small things, but it has huge impact on one's life. Marshon also performs in the neighboring states like Karnataka and Maharashtra. People always used to tell him, go abroad, there is no future here. The results are in front of you. Marshon has a dream of gospel band, where there is only praise and worship. Marshon has also a hobby of stitching different color coats. Marshon gives his success credits to Almighty God, his parents and his younger brother who always supported him. Marshon's message is clear. Find out what makes you happy and just do it. So this was the story of Marshon Fernandes. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. तुम्ही कोतात तितलें सगळ्या काळजान करात मनशा खातीर न्हय पण सोम्या खातीर.
I'm thankful. He knows, man.
He knows the plan.
Yeah,
He's
he
like
knows.
a skater in our plane.
He knows what is good for you and what is bad for you. So he knows. So that's why, if you rely on him, good things will do. Yeah, whatever you want, you will get it. It takes time.